Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip camera on Monkey app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up Monkey app as you normally would and then go to, let me take it back here, I'm going to get out of here. So go ahead and click on tap to start video chatting and now find a person who you want to talk to. And now once you're inside that chat, I'm just going to wait for a chat to open and I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click accept, and now to flip your camera, on the top left hand corner of the screen here, it's going to have a flip camera option. So I'm just going to wait until I get a match here. So here we go. So see that? I'm going to go ahead and click flip. So click flip. And then from here, unfortunately, you need to pay money to flip. So you got to pay to play. So you need to purchase a 7-day or 30-day subscription. Then from here, go ahead and click on your first subscription or second, whatever it is. And if you got your Visa or MasterCard, I'm on an Android device on Google Play, so I can pay for this subscription. Once I pay for it, subscribe, I can go back and I'll be able to flip my camera. That's the only way to do it at this point in time.